Megan Keene here, back at IBC 2011, and I am here with Avid's own Jim Frantzreb. And Jim, one of the things that we are demoing here at IBC is Interplay Central. So can you just start off with telling our viewers, what is Interplay Central?
Sure, absolutely right. This is the European launch of Interplay Central. It was introduced at NAB. Really, it's a next generation of user tools for on-the-go media professionals. It's web-based editing for journalists in its initial version. Our vision for Interplay Central is it is a new architecture for user applications, for non-specific editing tools. And it's quite flexible. Has an open user interface with individual panes that you can resize. In a future version, we're going to announce APIs, so it's very open. And the way they use the tools are, again, targeted for journalists. It really lets people who are sort of text-oriented use video and actually even do audio voiceovers very, very easily and intuitively.
What are some of the benefits of choosing Interplay Central for your productions?
Yeah, well, because you can now have access to media anywhere you are, all you need is a web browser and an internet connection, right. And all of a sudden now you have access to the newsroom, you have access to the video. Workflows are going to be a lot faster, and it really extends collaboration. You don't have to be inside the building; you could be anywhere, and you can collaborate. You could create your stories, so that has huge implications for television. And it's not just for over the air. It's for you can write stories in what we call now story-centric workflow, where the journalist has responsibility for the story, and not only for television over-the-air broadcast, but for posting to the web and for mobile versions as well. So this is an ideal tool for them because they can be at the scene, get all the versions of the story out, and back to the station to be published. So that's very cool. Speed, efficiency, and then for the people who have to manage the material or the equipment, they love it because people aren't lugging around these heavy laptops with these software applications on it. There is no software. It's it's back at an essential server. That's why it's called Interplay Central, and it's much easier to manage and less expensive to own in the long run. So those are really the key benefits.
So announced at first at NAB, now here presenting to a wider market at IBC. What has the response been so far?
The response is fantastic. I mean, people, it's a truly innovative product, and people immediately get it when they see the UI. You have to see it, to really appreciate how cool this thing is, and then after you kind of see how the editing works and so forth, it's really simple. You go, why didn't anyone do this before? So get that kind of reaction, and then they really, and I think especially people who are more from the technical side, they really get the advantages of we don't have to manage all these individual applications anymore. Right. It's much simpler. So a lot of great uptake.
And so people are excited about it. When can they get their hands on it? When is it shipping?
It's actually shipping this month, September 30th. It's going to be available.
Very timely. Well, thank you so much, Jim, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more from IBC 2011 here in Amsterdam.